Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing. In our last video, we learned how to create a project and understand the InShort workspace. So if you have not watched the video yet, go and watch the video. Today, I will show you how to trim, split and delete unwanted parts of the video. These are 3 basic editing skills every beginner should know. So let's get started. Okay, tap on the video, then open your project, tap the project you created in day 1, wait for it to load, we will continue editing the same project so you will see how the editing process works. The white playhead shows the exact place where the edit will happen. So you can see what I'm doing. You drag it in and you go to the end of it, you drag it in again, and if you want to return back to the normal video, you drag it out. And just can see what I'm doing. That is if you don't want to use split tools. If you don't want to use split, you can also cut your video without using split. You drag it in and you drag it out. If you drag it in too much, you can also drag it out again. Okay, trimming remove the unwanted part from the beginning or the end of the video. Okay, then splitting is useful when you want to remove mistakes or add transitions later. Okay, you click on the part that you don't want, you click on split and the video will divide into 2. You click on the part that you don't want again, then you click delete. You go the end of the video. You watch the video from the beginning to the end. The part that you don't want, you click on it. You click on split. You click on the part that the video will divide into 2 again. Then you click on the part that you don't want. You click on delete. That is it. Then don't be afraid to experiment. You can always undo your edit in case you made a mistake. You can restore it back. So you click these 2 arrows. The other one is redo, the one I just click now, while the other one, the one I just click now, is undo. Undo, you go back to your previous edit. Like it will reverse you back to your previous edit. The clip that you cut out, it will take it back to your video, while redo will bring back your edit. Hope you understand. Watch the video from the start to the end. Always preview your edit before moving to the next step. Always calm down to edit your video, don't rush. You now know how to trim, split and delete parts of your video in InShort. These are essential editing skills you will use in most every project. In day 3, I will show you how to add text, titles and captions to make your video more engaging. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so I will see you in the next class. Bye.